2. The universe is a thing, it is finite and it is not everlasting. While some people have interpreted the universe to be a false god, God forbid, to which they pray and which they worship, their behavior is clearly under the heading of idolatry, and it is forbidden to all mankind by God. The universe was created by God. The universe is physical, finite and not everlasting and not eternal. It has no power and it does not teach men and women, it does not arrange anyone's finances, nor does it provide any benefit other than just existing. It is completely banned by God from worship and prayer. This ban includes the planets, the stars, the sun, the moon, the constellations, the signs of the zodiac, etc. Similarly, no man nor animal, neither angels nor demons nor false gods, nor anything other than God is permitted to be worshipped. It is only to God alone to whom we must direct our prayers and our minds, and to no other.